different.
I know.
The people drive different. The signs are in French. I can't read them, and they're different colors. And I looked up what's a circle with a red or white line through it, and that means don't enter. And I entered, and I made it to the highway fine. So I don't know, but I'm getting honked at, and lots of this.
You got honked at like 2 minutes straight. There's something on the brakes. It's
Anyway, Adventures of Bordeaux. Here we are.
And now we're headed to
Yacht Solutions.
To pick up our dad, then go on the boat.
I have no idea where we're going. We're trying to get to Yacht Solutions, and Mark wanted like the boat. Yeah, he just pulls up out of nowhere on his bike, and we rolled down the window. We're like, "Hi, Mark," and then he's taking us right now, and we had no idea where the red light or green light or it was so weird. And he pulls out of nowhere, and we tell him we have no idea where we are, and now he's taking us there. He's like right
He's
there.
so nice. He brought us
I
breakfast.
knew where I was at the Yacht Solutions. I just missed my turn.
He even brought us breakfast.
Yeah. He brought us breakfast.
I was too sick to get out of bed.
He's right there, Mom. Mom, what if we would have done without him?
And he pulls up and he's like, Crystal.
And you go, Mark.
That's crazy.
He's driving with a kid thing in the back.
And he's so fast on his bike up this hill.
I know, gosh.
I'd be dying. I'd be like,
He's going like a car speed.
I know, he's going fast.
This is my mom driving in a stressful situation in France.
look at all these signs. I can't read any of them. And people, this is pretty mild right now. Not a lot of traffic. But this was easy. This is an example of an easy.
This is an example of an easy one.
Okay.
Pulling into the parking lot of the mall, or as they call it in French, the Centre Société Mixte Banque.
Exactly how they say it, Mom. Exactly. We're gonna go to Zara.
And get me some clothes.
Get Corbin some clothes because he really needs them.
Well,
I only have one pair.
That I wanted to simplai,
Ellie, you
not
saw me.
pack.
I only have one pair, you remember?
and I think I packed a little too light.
Yeah, me too.
I need someone to save myself from
And
myself.
it's like storming outside.
It was just raining a minute ago.
Well, we're gonna go in.
Look,
go
there's
to-
shopping carts at the mall.
I know, that's what I was saying.
I know, but I'm saying get it on the thing. Look.
Cool. Cool.
Okay, here we go.
We're gonna go to Zara. Where else we might go?
Let's go to get some food.
Yeah, I needed water.
Yeah, maybe get some food.
Oh, look, there's a grocery store too. Here we are at the mall in Bordeaux, France, and we're walking into Zara. Completely mesmerized by this grocery store. It's massive and it's inside of a shopping mall. And there's my children behaving so well and polite.
Did you take a picture of me do that?
Uh-huh.
No, I'll do it again. The camera. They're gonna yell at you. Yeah. No, they're gonna go.
Yeah, sit down right, baby.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Hey, I like that answer. At the grocery store in France. It's like a mall. Corbin, take it off. People don't understand why you have that on. Please go put it back in the toy section. Corbin? It's been an interesting experience. I kind of like it. Because I can't read anything, so I'm not obsessive about the ingredients because I can't tell what it says, so I've stopped reading ingredients. What's wrong?
I don't know where to go because like that car is full.
Oh wow, that is a full cart. Okay. Let's go down.
That says past operative for pregnant.
Oh, that's for like, yes, pregnant or handicapped. And that, what do you think that means, Ellie? What do you think that means?
they come and help you take it to your car.
Okay, let's not go there. Where do
Well,
we
we have to
check
go
out?
wait in this long line.
Well, why don't we get in a line and then you can go get us some waters, Ellie. There's bottled waters down there.
Take this.
Yeah, but I think
Cases.
you need to get a cart. Here, there's an empty cart right there, Monkey. So the reason there were shopping carts in the parking lot is because you have to bring in your own shopping cart
Which is?
to carry your groceries out. So we just went grocery shopping for the boat. It's raining and chilly. What's that smell?
Decent.
We're pulling off.
Okay.
Is that scary? You know how they used to be super squeaky and stuff? They used to be so squeaky. Now look at this.
Oh.
It's because they're wet. So they have like,
Good morning.
Making breakfast.
The cold front came through.
Oh yeah, it's freezing outside.
It's raining and cold.
We're doing a sea trial right now. Let's go up to the...
Hello.
Wet up here. So they're gonna open those gates and we're gonna go through it. Where's Bubba? Bubba, are you in your room? Opening slowly but surely.
Yeah, the gates are opening.
you want a piece? Wait,
They stopped the like cars already. So what's happening?
We're gonna go dock over there on the side, on the left.
Why?
I have 2 sweatshirts on.
Good morning from the Garonne River. Beautiful morning.
Ellie, look at me. Mommy, say no. Say no. Just say no.
No, okay. But I want some.
Come on, we're gonna pick it up.
Attitude.
They're all beef. Except for that one in the back and on the left, that's duck. And the one on the back is duck with like stuff inside.
Oh, boudin. Looks very uncomfortable. accommodated that in an amazing way. So they have a can-do attitude. They don't ever tell you that nothing can be done. It's always, how can we do it and how would you like it? And I think that's just, they take customers on it.
We're walking in the square. Corbin and I are holding a basket for our boat. Ellie and Dal are up there. Okay, Corbin. We're gonna eat.
A chicken heart. They're testing it, and I get $5.
Dal thinks it's.
Yeah,
It's the house.
Dal thinks.
you think it's the heart.
We have to eat all of it.
$5, Corbin.
Oh, it even tastes as bad when I do that. Do it. This is not edible.
We don't have to.
Give me water. No. Give me water. No.
And that's not fun.
I'm gonna get my water taste in my mouth so I don't have any yucky taste.
Okay, I'm ready to eat, so.
As soon as you swallow it, it becomes edible.
That water makes me sick.
I don't know if that's a quote.
Don't quote me on that, but
Yeah. Oh yeah, you can see the aorta.
Test it, Dad. This is the heart.
Yeah, eat it.
Come on, Corbin. We're waiting.
Whose is this?
Corbin's.
I want to cut it. Don't hurt Benny. Can I cut it in half? No. Benny doesn't like you.
Hey.
You're so annoying. I got one. Oh, wait, I'm gonna just. Bananas. I want the smallest one. I took a bite of it and tastes like chicken.
Tastes like chicken. He likes it.
Eat it.
Hey, Mikey, he likes it.
Oh yeah, it's chicken.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see the ventricle. Hey, don't get the grease on the leather, bud.
Here, Corbin.
let's put it in the seat.
Here.
Ow! Act like I fall super bad, okay?
Let me see. Maybe we can open up the blanket.
I thought they got skeeters because they got a vacuum.
Ooh, that looks like a.
Oh.
Oh, that's mine.
Mr. He-Man.
Bring her toy to play with?
Just your baby.
Where is it?
Right here.
We don't even know her language because she speaks French. So we were in my room and we were trying to figure out her favorite color and what her favorite animal was. And we thought it was pink and we thought her favorite animal was a lion, but actually when we went out,
And I
like French people that were working on the boat and they go, like he asked her and was like, it was a
rabbit and
red and a rabbit.
yeah.
She's so cute.
Google Translate.
Isn't that fun? Meeting your first boat friend.
Say like point. Try to do a game. Or that's not a game, but she's 4 years old.
And that's her boat next door. They pulled up next to us and we invited her over and she's adorable.
You know the back of your bike, how it has that thing for like little toddlers to sit in?
Yes.
She's one for the dog.
Oh, how cute.
Yeah, her tiny little bike. I would have loved that one. That thing is huge.
Okay, here we are in Bordeaux. We just met a lady that brought us all of our
Andre.
washed laundry. Happy day. It's like Christmas.
This is wild.
It's coming.
Wow, my shoulder.
I've got mine on my back.
Let me hear
Andre.
that. No, I got it.
So we're walking to our boat now. It's down past this gate.
No, it's low tide. It's low tide, and if we tried to go through the gate right now, we'd run into sand. But when it's high tide, you can go
No,
through
but that's mud.
Baklava.
Baklava.
We don't know what they're saying in French. I think it's in Turkish. Sounds like baklava. Isn't that Greek or something? I don't know how to turn this camera on, or I would.
And that's when it doesn't get heavy.
See, there's the wine museum behind me. And we walk down this path to our boat. And I'll video when we get to our boat.
I can't stop.
Crystal, we didn't smile. We didn't see that you were.
They smiled for the camera. Go ahead.
It's a yacht.
Provisioning food.
Let's go.
You walk down these steps to this fridge down here. Ooh, got some foods for the journey. Our first voyage. Woohoo! Here we go. Heading to Royan.
Oh, the fingers smushed.
The fenders are smushing. Goodbye, Bordeaux.
Look,
Corbin, go get some clothes on.
I can blow steam.
Go put some clothes on.
You don't squeak anymore.
Corbin, please.